Welcome to another episode of Regulation Rundown, brought to you by Motive Limited. Today, we're diving into PUWER compliance, ensuring your equipment is safe and your workers are protected in industrial operations. PUWER applies to a wide range of equipment, from factory machinery to hand tools on construction sites. It's about more than compliance. It's about maintaining a safe and productive work environment. In this episode, we'll explore PUWER's scope, key requirements, PUWER assessment, risk assessments, and safety measures. We'll also discuss compliance with the supply of machinery regulations. PUWER stands for the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations and covers any equipment used at work, from simple tools to complex machinery. This includes hand tools, heavy machinery, mobile equipment, and requires use of safety devices like machine guards and interlocks. The goal of PUWER is to ensure equipment is safe, maintained, and operated by trained individuals. It ensures equipment is suitable for its purpose and poses no unnecessary risks. Risk reduction under PUWER involves fitting equipment with safeguards like guarding and interlocks. Workers must be trained and competent, understanding how to operate equipment safely and follow emergency procedures. Under PUWER, employers must implement adequate guarding to prevent access to the equipment's danger zone and emergency stop buttons when an unsafe condition has been observed. Where access is an operational requirement, interlocks can be used to prevent contact with moving parts. This includes safety systems such as castell locks or light curtains. The control position of the equipment must allow for a clear and unobstructed view of the danger zone. Where this is not initially possible, mirrors can be used or the control position can be moved. These measures prevent access to dangerous parts and automatically stop machines when hazards are detected. They also allow operators to confirm the danger zone is clear of hazards prior to startup. Compliance with the Machinery Directive or supply of machinery regulations is essential when purchasing or manufacturing new machinery. This ensures machinery meets safety standards before it arrives at its place of intended use. For machinery to bear the CE or UKCA marking, manufacturers must prepare a comprehensive technical file. This includes design drawings, test results, operating instructions, and a declaration of conformity. CE or UKCA marking is also a requirement under PUWER for ensuring safe operation. It allows for traceability in the supply chain and ensuring that all materials and systems have been manufactured to the correct standard. Businesses must verify correct documentation is provided when purchasing new machinery. A best practice for PUWER compliance is conducting an assessment on newly installed equipment before commissioning. This ensures equipment is safe, suitable, and meets all PUWER requirements. The assessment commonly follows a format of a checklist, ensuring that key regulatory requirements are met. This pre-commissioning assessment includes reviewing safety features, testing emergency stops, and verifying operational procedures. This proactive step identifies potential safety issues early. Any areas that do not comply must be aligned with the regulation, or where this is not possible, a risk assessment must be carried out to ensure hazards are mitigated or are as low as reasonably practicable, also known as ALARP. Conducting thorough risk assessments is vital for PUWER compliance. These assessments identify potential hazards and determine effective control measures to minimize risks. Key elements of a PUWER risk assessment include identifying regulatory non-compliance, including environmental factors, and identifying corrective measures. All residual risks must be reduced to ALARP. Corrective measures may be extending physical barriers to prevent access or the addition of a lockable energy isolation switch to prevent unintended startup of equipment during adjustment or maintenance. It could also be control of generated emissions. Once assessed, the equipment must not be changed without further assessment to ensure compliance. Under PUWER, there is a strong focus on regular maintenance and thorough inspections. It is a stipulation that the equipment manufacturer provides maintenance information, and this should be incorporated into the operator's maintenance schedules. These routine checks are crucial for spotting any signs of wear, tear, or malfunction in safety devices. Carrying out preventative maintenance and making timely repairs are essential to keep equipment running safely and efficiently. Operators should be appropriately trained and competent to operate the equipment. For machinery with complex steps, best practice involves compiling a detailed operation procedure, often called a Standard Operating Procedure or SOP. This document serves as both a training resource and, in some cases, a guide during task execution. Operators should sign off to confirm their understanding of these procedures, which can then be retained in their training records for future reference. Complying with PUWER is about ensuring worker safety and creating an efficient workplace. Proper equipment design, installation, use, maintenance and training reduce accident risks and operational downtime. That's it for this episode of Regulation Rundown. For PUWER assessments, equipment risk management or training, contact Motive. We offer expert solutions for your regulatory compliance challenges. This video is for informational purposes only. For full compliance requirements, consult official sources or a qualified professional. Thanks for watching.